Hi there, I'm Joryn Jenkins. I'm a collaborative divorce attorney. If you're going through the pain of separation and wondering what your next step is, you want to come see me. I talk to people all the time about going to court. They assume they have to go to court. And the answer to that is, yeah, at the end of the day, you do have to go to court because you got to get a final judgment from a judge. You got to get that signed off on, but there's so many ways to get to that final judgment. There's so many roads, and many of them do not lead through the courtroom. So people go to mediation, they cooperate with each other, they negotiate things through, they may sit at the kitchen table, and we lawyers like to call that the kitchen table divorce. You may come to me and say, look, we already have an agreement, everything's done, I just need someone to help me with the paperwork. And so we may just draft the paperwork for you, and then you take it home and you discuss it with your spouse, and then you have an agreement that way. Or maybe your spouse then goes to another lawyer and chats with that lawyer about what his or her rights are, and so they come back and they negotiate with you that way. There are just so many different ways to get to a final judgment. You don't have to go through the stress and the horror of litigation, of going to trial in front of a judge, someone who doesn't even know you or your kids or share your values, someone that you just trust to make the right decision, and it's, you don't know what their background is. Where's their decision coming from? Did they grow up with only a mom, and so they don't value dads? Did they grow up with any parents at all? Did their grandparents raise? You don't know. So come see me. We can talk about all of that. We can discuss all of your options, and maybe you'll have something you can go home to your spouse and discuss, and then work things out. Because that's what I'm all about, working out your divorce. Joryn Jenkins, I'm a collaborative lawyer. You can call me and I'll help.